फ्रेंड्स, तो मेरा वीडियो देखा होगा आपने SBI पे लास्ट टाइम, नहीं तो यहाँ पे लिंक दिया है, प्लीज़ ज़रूर चेक करें। ये देखने से पहले वो वीडियो पहले चेक करें। स्टार्टिंग विद द डिस्क्लेमर, आई एम नॉट SBI रजिस्टर्ड RI और आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट माय प्लान इज़ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। तो बहुत लोगों को ये डाउट था कि SBI में सेलिंग क्लाइमैक्स हो रहा है, बाइंग क्लाइमैक्स हो रहा है। कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा। As I said, it is a fundamental re-rating of this bank and you will see good results of that. That's my experience so far. I've been in the market for so many years, so that's why I am betting on this bank again. So now I think SBI is ready to start its second wave up. So that will come above 777, 780 levels. So I will go long there, and probably if it drops back to around 760, I'll like to add that level, and my stop loss will be 737. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this for a final target of 902. Yes, 902, not joking. That's the target which comes in technical parlance, and it could even stretch up to 921. So this is the next wave target if I can look at it. So in between targets for us to closely monitor are 797, 825, 854, out of which 854 will be a big resistance, okay, this one, and 883, and then 902, 920. So these are the levels that I expect in SBI in the times to come. I don't know when it will come, so but this is what I'm trading for. So at each level I will look for a possible end of trend, but so these are like milestones for me in between. So, and also maybe to book some profits partially. So that's what I think will happen in SBI. Let's see how it goes. I hope you like this video, and if so, please do hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you with another video sometime. Bye.